ফার্স্ট টাইম।
প্লিজ প্লিজ প্লিজ
আমি অনেকক্ষণ চুপ করেছি।
It was recording, right? I mean, मैं इतना बड़ा तारा लेके घूम रही हूँ and she is like, yeah, we are done. Come here. Ma. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I'm so sorry for not being active for a long time because I had a lot of things going on, my exams and pujas and everything. So I'll come back to you with that topic. But for today's video, we have a new person right here, which is my sister. She's here finally after so long, and I convinced her literally. She's very camera shy and she was not willing to do that, but I convinced her somehow that please come on my channel because you know, like, it's going to be fun and she's here for just a few days and I just have to make the most out of it. So for today's video we thought, why don't we do something really fun? And I had one concept in my mind that whether I should do a what's in my bag video. So today's video I thought ki I talk with her and say, hey, why don't you come with me and we do a fun segment which is like what we will do, like what's in our bag, okay? And it is going to be a little bit more interesting because we are going to swap our bag. Like she is going to show what is in my bag and I am going to show what is in her bag, okay? So this is the entire thing. And also, if you're new to my channel, then hello, this is Shrija and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, then I'll be really happy if you please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And she's getting really bored over here because I'm talking and talking and talking and she's sitting like that. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so we have swapped our bags. Okay, so I have her bag and she has mine. Now we are going to show, so who's going to start? You or me? And one more thing guys, so this segment is going to be really raw. Like we kind of committed to ourselves that we're not going to take out or put anything back. Like whatsoever was literally in our bag, we are showing that. हम लोग बस वही दिखा रहे हैं जो लेकर बाहर गए थे वही. इसमें nothing, it's completely uncut video. Uncut. So let's get started. So you start? Okay, so the first thing in my bag. This brush. Very normal, right? Girl, I can't open your bag. I'm sorry. Oh, this is how it works.
Shall I keep it there? Or
Yeah, anyway, you can just put it over here. Okay, so the first thing first. Very rich, and this is
wallet? It is not about rich.
anything. This is a very basic thing. सबके बैग में होता है, इसके भी बैग में है. So okay, first thing. Second, really few things.
Yeah, power bank.
क्योंकि मैं पिक्चर बहुत खींचती रहती हूँ. Whatever friend I have, like सबको पता है, like when I start clicking pictures, I'm not gonna end. Okay. So second thing we have here is toilet से sanitizer spray, which is like very important इस scenario में, सब scenario में. अभी के लिए तो obviously उसके बाद भी. Next
Wallet.
जिसमें से छुट्टे हैं, कुछ ज़्यादा पैसे वैसे है नहीं, सिर्फ
It's
छुट्टे
very heavy.
हाँ obviously छुट्टे हैं इसीलिए we have quarters, literally I have quarters filled in my bag, sorry, filled in my purse. Next, so it's my turn, right? Okay, so we have a sanitary napkin, just basic stuff. Next.
I don't know what
Oh, okay, this is actually like some when we go out and sometimes I forget to take my hair mask. तो वो जब होता है तो these are like basic hair caps. Okay, we just need to hair. Okay, so next I have a handkerchief, which you should throw away first. Anyways, we're not supposed to.
to miss.
या ये मैं रखती हूँ क्योंकि वो क्या है ना कि मतलब जब होता है ऐसे, मतलब मेरे बैग में आप लोगों को बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें मिलेंगी जो को मेरे काम की कोई है नहीं, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि आई विल बी नीडिंग दोस थिंग्स, लेकिन फिर भी आई कीप इट. सो या प्लीज एक्सक्यूज दैट. ओके, नेक्स्ट थिंग, शी हैज़ हर ईयरफोन्स, ऑब्वियसली मैंडेटरी है, मैं तो निकलती भी नहीं हूँ घर से. नेक्स्ट I'm so sorry, but it's like मेरे को ना कुछ चाहिए होता है. Like whenever you'll dig inside my bag, वो मेरा कॉलेज का बैग हो, वो मेरा बाहर जाने का बैग हो, कुछ ना कुछ खाने का सामान हमेशा मिलता रहेगा. बीट कुरकुरे, बीट चिप्स, बीट लॉलीपॉप, इधर में भी बहुत सारे मिलने वाले हैं, pretty sure. मैं हमेशा रखती हूँ. Okay, next is the most important thing अभी के लिए is a sanitizer. So मेरे बैग में भी होना चाहिए, but I don't know, maybe ये वाला सेगमेंट में होगा. तो या sanitizer.
Okay. Now there is a pea.
Because of course you need to be safe when you pee. find is a clutcher. Again, girl thing. I mean, who are we? Girls, right? So we need to have lipstick backup. Yeah, so I have one. Next, there is a scrunchie, which is also very important. सब कुछ important सामान है. मेरे बैग में कचरे भरे हुए हैं. What is this? My hanky. Next up, what I find is this is a mist or perfume. Perfume. This one's.
Then you have a chocolate, dark chocolate.
This was gifted to me by the way. Anyways.
Okay.
Next, okay, it's my turn. Yeah. So we have some tissues over here, because you never know. Sometimes आप बाहर का टॉयलेट अवेल करते हो, फिर you know wherever अगर आप कहीं पर जाने हो खाने या कुछ भी करने, so if there are अगर tissues available नहीं है तो you need to have backup, right? Next,
Earphones.
again mandatory. We have a lot of common things though. I think you can
I
show
think
it because
everything is done, right?
no,
I
you have a
nothing left.
few, you have a few stuffs here. Okay, I have to show ना अभी मेरा turn है. Lip balm again, which is obviously because she is not a lipstick person. Okay, she's mostly a lip balm person. She loves wearing lip balms or lip tints जो भी है मतलब which are not lipstick or nothing related to makeup. She is very fond of those. So ये एक है इसके बैग में मेरे को पता है हमेशा मिलने वाला है तो I don't keep it. Lip balm अगर ये मेरे साथ होती है तो मैं इसी से चला लेती हूँ.
Clutcher.
Must have, right? Next, do we have anything left in your bag?
I don't think.
Ah, girl, what are you finding? Look what I've found. You know, you should have a pen. You know, so like a million times.
Shut up.
Okay, so we have बड़े लोग. Okay, I told you guys, okay, कि ये
90%
बहुत raw होने वाला है कि I have not actually put out anything. कुछ भी नहीं निकाला हुआ है. तो ये मैं लेके निकली थी because obviously इस situation में कहाँ से आप खरीदोगे पानी वगैरह तो हमेशा कैरी करना पड़ता है तो I carried it and अभी
I think there is nothing.
I think I'm done with her bag because ये इतना ही बस everything basic and essential in her bag. और मेरे बैग में सब कुछ कचरा और inessential.
Okay, so now we have 2 bottles of sanitizer.
Yeah, this is actually for a surface disinfector which I spray. मतलब ये बॉटल किसी और चीज़ का है, कुछ हेयर सीरम का है. उसमें typical Indian families उसमें मैं सैनिटाइजर डाल चुकी हूँ और उसको you know like I use it as a surface surface disinfector. Okay, so and next is sanitizer because obviously very
And a
important.
crunch.
Scratch. Yeah. Thanks. और भी कुछ है क्या?
No, I think everything is done. And this is this is something like.
Yeah, this is actually a candy क्योंकि you know like whenever you
Now everything is done. This is so all this is done.
done. Okay guys, so we are done with our segments. So let me know in the comment section below that whether you enjoyed it or not because I did very much. Usually we don't actually dig into each other's bag because as you can see ना कि हम लोग we are not poles apart लेकिन इसके बैग में हमेशा essentials and ज़रूरी चीज़ें होती है और मेरे बैग में सब कुछ चीज़ों का सब कुछ किस्म का कचरा मिलने वाला है खाना पीना कैंडी वगैरह जो यूजुअली लोगों को बाहर जाने के वक्त चाहिए होता नहीं है लेकिन फिर भी मैं रखती हूँ. Anyway, so she's here and this was my first ever segment with her in my channel. So let me know if you want because I really had to try a lot to convince her. She's so camera shy. मतलब आप लोगों ने देखा भी होगा ना कि I don't know how long this video is going to be of, but अगर जितना भी है तो इतने सारे minutes में she has spoken like few words and मैं बोलती ही जाती हूँ. So in this case I think yeah we are a little bit different कि मैं camera shy उतनी नहीं हूँ जितनी ये है लेकिन you know it was fun, right? So let me know in the comment section below in case if you liked it and if you have any other video ideas because she's going to be here only for a few days, so I just have to make most out of her because okay guys, so in case if you are sticking to the end of this video I hope you have watched it full and if you liked it then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. बोल भी दो यार कुछ करने को.
And yeah, please like, share, and subscribe.
I did like and subscribe. So yeah, guys, I hope you are doing well, and also Shubha Vijaya to all of you. And yeah, I hope you all are fine, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all. Mwah.
Bye.
Shubha Vijaya from both of us.
Shubha Vijaya.